Today I'm excited to show you the condo unit that I like the most in TTDI, which is the Greens. This The Greens unit is selling at 1.85 million and for rent at 5,300 ringgit. The build-up of this unit is 1,445 square feet and is the smallest unit in the Greens, with an unobstructed view and overlooking the retail shops of Jalan Wan Kadio and Tun Muhammad Fort. The high ceiling height of the unit has made the unit feel more spacious and premium. Besides that, the interior design of the unit has utilizing large windows to allow natural light in. The master bedroom is spacious and it comes with a built-in wardrobe and ensuite bathrooms. The unit is with 2+1 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. The second bedroom is with a good size to fit in queen size bed and built-in wardrobe. The Greens TTDI is the most luxurious condo in TTDI because of its amenities and facilities that makes living in TTDI highly convenient. The unit is with a yard area for the resident to use it as laundry or wet kitchen. Want to find out more? Don't forget to head to our website and check out our latest TTDI listing. See you next Thursday for my next video.